Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you antibacterial room mist. The mist will kill all the bacteria in the room when someone coughing or sneezing and will prevent this bacteria entering your body. So let me show you what essential oils I use and then I will see you in a bit. Spray, use it 3 times per day in every room, kitchen, bathroom, toilet. Spray there 3 times per day and it would really kill the bacteria and it will prevent it from entering your body. Every single time when I share any recipes with essential oils, I advise that you follow safety tips. I will list the safety tips in the description box below this video. Please read them and make sure that you can use these essential oils. Even if you're not applying them on your skin, you must be sure that you can inhale them, because some people, they have breathing problems, maybe asthma or something like that, and they cannot inhale them. So please make sure that you can actually use them. If you do not know if you are okay in using the essential oils, always consult your doctor. Pregnant women and breastfeeding moms, I will advise as well. Consult your doctor first before using any essential oil blends. And if you are okay in using essential oils, then fine, you're good to go, and I hope that these recipes will be helpful for you. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe of the antibacterial mist for your room, because I always use the recipe of the mist when someone is sneezing or coughing or just at the starting stage of being sick. That's why I always make it, and because I want to prevent the bacteria from spreading, and it helps my family a lot not to get sick more and to get well quicker. If you enjoyed the video, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, either clicking on this icon over here or on the red button below this video. Follow us on social media, and I wish you all the best. Have a nice day everyone, and I will see you in the next video.